Welcome to Talk and Tell English. I want to ask you something. Have you been learning English for months, maybe years, but still cannot speak? You know grammar. You know words. But when someone talks to you, your mind goes blank. Your mouth stays closed. Today, I will show you one simple trick that changed everything for me. And it will change everything for you too.
Stay until the end.
This is important. Chapter 1. The Silent Problem. Let me tell you a story. There was a student. Let's call him Raj. Raj studied English every day. He watched English movies. He read English books. He knew thousands of words. But one day, a tourist asked him for directions. And Raj?
He could not speak.
Not one sentence. He felt so ashamed. Does this sound familiar? Maybe this is your story too. Here is the problem. Most people learn English with their eyes and ears. They read. They listen. But they never use their mouth. Your mouth is like a muscle. If you never use it, it stays weak. Reading will not make you speak. Listening will not make you speak. Only speaking will make you speak. But here is the good news. You do not need a teacher. You do not need a partner. You do not need money. You only need yourself. Today, I will teach you the talk and tell method. This method is free. This method is simple. And this method works. Chapter 2. What is talk and tell? Talk and tell is simple. You talk about what you see. You tell about what you do.
Right now.
In this moment. In real time. Let me show you. I am sitting on a chair. I am looking at my phone. I am speaking English. Do you see? 3 simple sentences. I just described my life. This is talk and tell. You can do this anywhere. In your room, on the bus, while cooking, while walking. You just speak about your world. No books needed. No apps needed. Just your eyes and your mouth. Why does this work? Because it is real. You are not learning grammar rules. You are not memorizing word lists. You are using English for real life. And real practice gives real results. Think about babies. How do they learn? They point at things. They say what they see.
Ball. Dog.
Water. Small words. Simple sentences. And slowly they become fluent. You can use the same secret. Start small. Start simple.
Start now.
Chapter 3. The 3-second rule. Now I will teach you the most powerful rule. I call it the 3-second rule. Here is how it works. Every time you see something, you have 3 seconds. 3 seconds to say it in English. That is all. You see a cup. 3 seconds. Say it. I see a cup. You see a bird. 3 seconds. I see a bird. You feel hungry. 3 seconds. I feel hungry. Do not think too much. Do not plan perfect sentences.
Just speak. Fast. Quick. Real.
This rule trains your brain. Right now, your brain thinks in your language, then translates to English. That is why you are slow. But when you use the 3-second rule every day, something amazing happens. Your brain starts thinking in English directly. No translation. Just English. At first, it feels strange. You may make mistakes. You may forget words. That is okay. Mistakes are not your enemy. Silence is your enemy. A wrong sentence is better than no sentence. Because when you speak, you learn. When you stay silent, you learn nothing.
Try it right now.
Look around you. Find one thing. Say it in English. 3 seconds.
Go.
Did you do it?
Good.
That is your first step. Now do it again. And again.
And again.
Every day. This is how fluency is built. Not in one big moment, but in thousands of small moments. Chapter 4. Your daily life is your classroom. Let me tell you something important. Your life is full of English lessons. You just do not see them yet. Every action is a sentence. Every moment is practice. You wake up. Say it. I am waking up. You stretch your arms. I am stretching. You check your phone. I am checking my phone. Your morning routine just became your English lesson. You brush your teeth.
Talk about it.
I am brushing my teeth. The toothpaste is white. The water is cold. 3 sentences. Easy.
Real.
Powerful. You make breakfast.
Tell about it.
I am making tea. I am boiling water. I am adding sugar. You are not just cooking. You are learning. Most people wait for English class. They wait for the right time, the right place, the right teacher. But life does not wait. Your English will not wait. You must practice now. And the beautiful part? You can practice while living your normal life. No extra time needed. Just add English to what you already do. This is the talk and tell method. Your daily life becomes your classroom. Your actions become your lessons. And day by day, your English grows without you even trying hard. Chapter 5. From Words to Stories. Now, I want to teach you the next level. After you practice talking about what you see, you start telling small stories. Stories connect your sentences. Stories make your English flow. Here is how you do it. Take one small moment from your day. Tell it like a story. Use simple past tense. Example. Today I went to the market. I bought apples. I met my friend. We talked for 10 minutes. Then I came home. 5 sentences. One small story. This is powerful because stories teach your brain how to organize ideas. First this happened, then this, then that. This is how real conversation works. Start with yesterday. Every night before sleep, tell yourself a story about your day. Yesterday, I woke up at 7. I had breakfast. I went to work. I was tired. I came home and watched TV. Simple.
Clear. Real.
These are not perfect sentences, but they are good sentences. And good is better than nothing. You can also tell stories about your future. Tomorrow I will wake up early. I will study English for 10 minutes. I will practice talk and tell. I will become better. When you tell future stories, you create motivation. You are not just practicing English. You are planning your success. Your words become your promise. Do not wait to know every word. Tell stories with the words you have. Short stories, simple stories, true stories. And slowly, your stories will become longer. Your words will become stronger. And your English will become natural. Chapter 6: The Power of Recording. Here is a secret that changed my English forever. Record yourself. Use your phone. Record your talk and tell practice.
Why?
Because when you speak, you cannot hear yourself clearly. But when you listen to a recording, you hear the truth. Maybe your pronunciation is better than you thought. Maybe you speak too fast. Maybe you repeat the same words too much. The recording shows you everything. At first, you may not like your voice. That is normal. Everyone feels that way. But do not stop. Keep recording. Because every recording is proof of your progress. Try this challenge. Today, record yourself speaking for just 1 minute. Talk about your day. Then listen. Tomorrow, record again. Same topic. You will hear the difference. You will hear improvement. And that will give you power to continue. Save your recordings. After 1 month, listen to your first recording. Then listen to your latest recording. You will smile. You will see how far you came. And that smile will push you forward. Recording is like having a teacher in your pocket. A teacher who shows you your mistakes. A teacher who shows you your progress. And the best part? This teacher is free. Chapter 7: Your journey starts now. So here we are. You learn the talk and tell method. Now comes the most important part: action. Everything I told you is useless if you do not practice. Knowledge without action is just information. But knowledge with action becomes transformation. Here is your challenge. Starting today, practice talk and tell for just 5 minutes. That is all. Not 1 hour. Not 30 minutes. Just 5 minutes. Set a timer. Look around. Speak about what you see. Tell about what you do. Do this every single day. Morning or night. It does not matter. What matters is consistency. 5 minutes today. 5 minutes tomorrow. 5 minutes every day for 30 days. After 30 days, you will not recognize your English. Your brain will think faster. Your mouth will speak easier. Your confidence will grow bigger. People will notice. You will notice. Remember Raj from the beginning? The student who could not speak? After using talk and tell for 3 months, he helped that tourist. He gave directions in English. And he felt proud. That can be your story too. Your English journey does not need to be expensive. It does not need to be complicated. It just needs to be real. Talk about your world. Tell your stories. And let your voice become your teacher. I believe in you. You can do this. Start small.
Start today. Start now.
This is Talk and Tell English. And this is your moment. Thank you for watching. Now stop watching and start speaking. Your fluent future is waiting.
Go and meet it.